All right, let's go. Think about this. Your phone is in your hand all day. You scroll, you watch videos, you check memes, but your bank account doesn't grow a single cent. What if the same phone could actually pay you back? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 apps in 2025 that can make you real money. No boss, no complicated setup, just your phone. Stick around because number 5 is something almost nobody knows about, and it's insanely underrated. First, let's talk about Fiverr. Now, Fiverr used to be a place where people offered $5 services. But in 2025, it's a full-on freelance marketplace where people make anywhere from a few dollars to thousands per month. You may have seen my previous video where we discussed how to make passive income by selling AI designs for 10 each using Midjourney. Well, Fiverr is the perfect platform to sell these bad boys, and it's not limited to just AI designs. There's a ton of other stuff you can sell, which leads us to the second tip. Find a skill you're decent at. A lot of people underestimate the power of being just a little bit good at something. Take writing, for example. I'm not gonna lie, I suck at writing. I would never try to sell my services as a writer on Fiverr, but you know what? I'm pretty decent at talking into a camera. I can edit videos and I know how to make thumbnails. Those skills alone can earn me some good money. Let's say you're terrible at everything. That's fine. Go to Fiverr and look at the buyers. What are they buying? What do people seem to want? For example, lately people are going crazy over AI stuff, so you can learn how to use AI image generator or AI video generator and then offer your services. Here's the secret. You don't need to be a pro. People get paid just to write short video scripts for TikTok creators. Some sell AI-generated logos. Others make simple PowerPoint presentations for students or businesses. But how much can you make? That brings us to the third point. Look, I don't want to sugarcoat things. Earning tons of money overnight is impossible, especially online. That said, if you work hard, hustle, and provide awesome service, you can definitely earn some good cash on Fiverr. For example, someone who's new to Fiverr might charge $10 for a gig. If they get positive reviews and complete 10 gigs, they can charge $20 for the next 10. As they keep growing, their prices can go up to $50, $100, or even more. Now imagine you've got 5 gigs going at $100 each. That's $500 per week or $2,000 per month, and it's just from your phone. Is it life-changing? No, but it beats your bank account growing 0 cents from you scrolling all day long. Number 2, user testing. This one is insanely simple. Let me break it down. You know how sometimes when you're browsing the web, you're asked to rate your experience or take a survey about the website? Well, user testing pays you for doing exactly that. On their platform, companies big and small want feedback on their websites and apps. They want to know if they're easy to use, if the design is good, and overall if the user has a great experience. And guess what? They pay you to be that user. When you sign up, you'll receive tasks. These tasks will guide you through different websites or apps. You'll click buttons, type stuff, and basically pretend you're a regular user. And while you do this, you'll record your screen and microphone. If you find anything weird, confusing, or broken, you'll share your thoughts. After you finish the task, you'll get a couple of questions like, did you enjoy this? Would you use it again? Why or why not? That's it. Like I said, super simple. And how much money can you make? For every 10-20-minute test, you earn about $10. Some tests pay $30, even $60 if they're longer. That means in just 1 hour of giving your opinion, you could make $30, $50. Now, obviously, you can't make full-time income with this. It's not like you're getting rich here. But let's think about it. Instead of wasting time scrolling TikTok, you could be scrolling and getting paid. It's like getting paid for doing nothing. Number 3, Canva. Now let me clarify, I don't mean just making cool stuff on Canva to post on Instagram. That's fun, but we're not going to make any money from that. I'm talking about selling Canva templates. Templates are like pre-made tools that people can use to save time. They don't want to design from scratch. They just want ready-made stuff they can customize easily. That's where you come in. Canva has a ton of built-in templates. You can explore different categories like resumes, social media, business cards, even wedding invitations. Pick a category you like. Let's say social media. Then select the template. Let's say this Instagram carousel. You can customize the colors, fonts, images. Once it's ready, you can download it as a PDF or PNG file. Now you have a unique template that you can sell. But how can you sell it? There are a few ways. One is Etsy. It's a popular online marketplace for digital products. You can upload your template to Etsy and set the price. Every time someone buys it, you'll earn money. Another option is Creative Market. It's similar to Etsy, but focuses more on design stuff. Finally, you can even sell directly through Fiverr. For example, let's say you make a resume template. You can offer it on Fiverr for $5, $10, or maybe $20. Here's the cool thing, you create it once but sell it over and over. So if you make a killer template that people love, you can earn passive income for years. Number 4, Honeygain. This is the laziest way to make money and it runs quietly in the background of your phone. Let me explain. When you're browsing the internet, you're always looking for websites. This is how most people find stuff they want to buy. But companies want to reach these people, so they run special searches. For example, let's say you're searching for the best running shoes. Companies like Nike, Adidas, and Asics want to show their shoes in front of you, right? So they pay search engines a lot of money to be seen. Now, Honeygain wants to share your internet connection with market research companies. Why? Because they want to see what you see. If they know what websites you visit, they can give the advertisers a better chance to reach you. And you guessed it, they'll pay for it. With Honeygain, you share your connection and earn points. These points add up and turn into actual cash. You can withdraw anytime via PayPal. Now, listen, this isn't like investing where you double your money overnight. With Honeygain, you earn around $20-50 per month. Maybe not life-changing, but hey, it's free money for doing nothing. You just download the app and it runs quietly in the background. I'm not gonna lie, this money is slower than a snail, but it's reliable and consistent. Plus, it's great for your phone bill or Spotify subscription. It's like earning free cash without lifting a finger. And finally, number 5, Upwork. This is like Fiverr's bigger brother. Businesses post tasks and you apply. It's a chance to earn serious money, but the competition is tougher. So make sure you put your best foot forward. To make things easier, here are 5 areas where you can shine and stand out from the crowd. Number 1, web design and development. From fixing bugs to building new sites, businesses always need tech wizards. Number 2, writing and translation. Yep, you heard that right. Writers and translators are in high demand. Businesses need engaging content and reaching global audiences. Number 3, graphic design. Logos, banners, visuals, businesses want to look good everywhere and they need designers like you. Number 4, marketing and sales. Helping businesses grow their customer base is a top priority. And finally, number 5, customer support. Providing awesome support to customers is essential for any business. Now let's talk numbers. How much can you earn? Well, it varies depending on your skill level and experience. Some people earn $5, $15 per hour as virtual assistants. Content writers can earn $20, $40 per article. Social media managers can earn $500, $500 per month per client. And some folks even manage to quit their 9-to-5 and go full-time freelancers here. Now here's the deal. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Competition is fierce, so make sure you put your best foot forward. Create an amazing portfolio. Show off your skills and build trust with clients. Oh, and don't forget, hustling is key. Apply for as many jobs as you can. Get those reviews and raise your prices as you go. Look, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a legit way to boost your income. That's it for today. Remember, these aren't shortcuts, but real opportunities to earn extra money in 2025. Which app should I make a step-by-step tutorial on next? Fiverr, Canva, or Upwork? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for more tips. This is Wallet Mode, where your phone starts working for you. See you later.